What's up everybody? It's Chris Orm here. Today we're going to be doing a review of the SmartWings motorized shades, and I've had this installed here in my guest bedroom for the last 60 days. This is a top of the line product, and SmartWings has been making a ton of great motorized shades for the DIYers. So this is a Matter compatible motorized shade. So that means it's going to work with all your major smart home ecosystems, including Apple Home, Home Assistant, Google Home, and Amazon. So that's why this smart shades is very special in particular, but they make a lot of great products for the Apple Home community as well. So let's go ahead and dive into what this product is, how we got it installed here, the pros, the cons, if this product is right for you, and I'll give you my overall impressions of the product. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we got these smart shades installed. I decided I'm gonna keep the curtains as well so we can have a kind of double layer here, but this is a review video of the motorized shade. So there's a couple different ways that you can first operate this shade. So I'm gonna recommend that you do pick up the remote control that comes along with it. This will help you use a physical up and down switch for it, but also you can have it automated through a time of day or a trigger. You can also have it activated via your mobile app. So I use the Apple Home ecosystem. I can open it that way. And it's really just super powerful. But if you have it integrated in your voice assistant, you can also say, hey, blank, open the motorized shades, and it'll open as well. So I want to show you guys what it's going to look like if we use the remote control to open the shades. It's overall pretty quiet. And one of my favorite parts of these shades is at the lower part and the top part, I feel like it slows down, gets a little bit more quiet, and overall, that's a great impression for the product. So let's go ahead and push the up button here. Pretty quiet overall, smooth, high quality fabric. Really just does exactly what you would need it to. So comparing these to something like a Lutron, we're at a extremely budget price point and you're getting almost the same exact product. So I really like these SmartWings shades. I think it's probably a better bang for your buck. So you can get this on one room, you can get this in multiple rooms, and I think it's just gonna add a ton of value to your smart home. I would definitely start with like a primary bedroom first, then maybe move into a great room, but here we're lucky enough that we have it here in our guest bedroom. So like I mentioned, we can pause it anyway, so I'm gonna bring it down a little bit and we'll show you what it looks like kind of halfway through. So as you guys can see, the remote is pretty responsive. I push the button, it responds pretty much immediately. So you don't have to worry about any delay or anything like that. I always keep this handy. A physical remote is probably the easiest way for myself to open and close it, as well as a family member. So I keep this remote nice and handy. Comes with a little latch where you can mount it on the wall. Also super cool. So let's go ahead and close it and we'll go into more detail on the fabric. We'll go into this top piece here, which is the Matter motor. And then also you're gonna wanna charge this. It is a battery powered shade. So you can either get a solar panel to go ahead and charge it using the sun, or from time to time you will have to go ahead and charge it. Like I mentioned, this is a Matter powered smart motorized shade. So you do have to sync it into your smart home. So to go ahead and do that, you're gonna wanna push the button on the physical motorized shade at the top. That'll get it into setup mode. Once it's into setup mode, you can go ahead and scan the physical QR code on the device to go ahead and get it linked into your smart home ecosystem of choice. In my case, we did Apple HomeKit. Overall, guys, the SmartWings shades is a great bang for your buck product. It adds a ton of value to anyone's smart home, and you should definitely think about getting some motorized shades, and I would definitely recommend the SmartWings ones. Whether it's for your living room, your primary bedroom, or for your guest bedroom, motorized shades add a ton of value where you can automate it to lift up in the morning when you wake up. So at 5 a.m. we can have the shades lift up, and then at the end of the day at sunset, we can have them go back down. So that's some of the amazing features of having motorized shades in your home. Overall, the SmartWings are a great value for the money. Super high quality product, super high quality material, super quiet, and overall really, really reliable. Overall, I can recommend this product to you. I hope that you decide to pick some up. Definitely check the link down below if you want to save some money using an affiliate code down below. And overall, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We'll see you in the next one. More smart home content coming soon.